Should I buy my home under an LLC? Buying a home is a major financial step, and many New Yorkers wonder if placing a personal residence in a limited liability company is the best way. LLCs offer promises of asset protection and privacy, yet unexpected financial, tax, and legal hurdles make the choice complicated. A Manhattan real estate lawyer can explain the pros and cons. Attorneys at Avenue Law Firm regularly advise clients on ownership structures and asset protection strategies, making the firm a trusted source for guidance. Under New York law, an LLC is a distinct legal entity separate from its members. This separation creates a corporate veil that can protect owners from liability. Properly maintained, the structure offers two-way protection. It insulates personal assets from liabilities tied to the LLC-owned home and shields the home from unrelated personal liabilities. These features attract people with high personal financial exposure. In practice, however, the disadvantages often outweigh the benefits. Traditional mortgage lenders are reluctant to lend to an LLC, pushing buyers toward commercial loans with higher rates, larger down payments, and personal guarantees that undermine asset protection. Placing a home in a multi-member LLC can also cost the owner the federal capital gains exclusion in New York property tax exemptions. These sacrifices erode the financial appeal of an LLC, and courts may pierce the corporate veil if owners fail to treat the entity separately, so the strategy rarely delivers its theoretical protection. Forming and maintaining an LLC in New York involves fees and ongoing obligations. You must file articles of organization and biennial reports and often hire professionals to draft operating agreements and handle taxes. The state's publication rule requires a notice of formation to run in 2 newspapers for 6 weeks, which can cost hundreds or more depending on the county. Transferring a mortgaged home into an LLC can trigger a due on sale clause, allowing the lender to demand immediate repayment. Keeping the corporate veil intact demands strict separation between the owner and the entity. Mixing funds, neglecting formalities, or living in the home without a lease and fair market rent can give courts justification to discard liability protection. State taxes and transparency rules add further complications. New York State and City impose transfer taxes on deeds and changes in controlling interests, and combined rates can reach several % of a property's value, with an extra mansion tax on high-value transfers. These taxes apply not only to direct deed transfers but also to transfers of ownership interests, and the city aggregates multiple smaller transfers to prevent avoidance. The New York LLC Transparency Act, effective January 1, 2026, will require LLCs to disclose beneficial owners' names, birth dates, and addresses, ending the anonymity that once drew some buyers. The allure of asset protection makes LLC ownership appealing, but financing obstacles, lost tax benefits, compliance costs, veil-piercing risks, transfer taxes, and the transparency law make it burdensome for most homeowners. Before deciding, consult an experienced real estate lawyer who understands both the opportunities and the risks. Avenue Law Firm's Manhattan attorneys guide clients through complex property questions and craft strategies tailored to their goals. For personalized guidance, contact Avenue Law Firm at 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022, or call 212-729-4090. Their team of lawyer advocates can help protect your home and financial security.